Good morning, madam. I am Ewe Leon, the group member for this group assignment, which is Association Analysis in Manufacturing. Our group we're going to discuss about this topic in terms of manufacturing. First of all, what is an association analysis? It is defined by the two main forms, which are frequent item set and association rules, which they represent a collection of items that frequently occur together and also suggest that a strong relationship exists in between two items and find relationship between attributes and large databases. Next, in terms of manufacturing, the use of association analysis with a priori algorithm can be applied to large manufacturing databases, contributes to manufacturing productivity, including equipment efficiency, optimized processes, and scale labor of processes. And it also could be somewhat external, such as the supply chain or design chains and the other product development or product lifecycle collaborators. For instance, a priori is used by many companies like Amazon in the recommended system and by Google for the autocomplete feature. I would like to pass this session to the other team member.
Hi, madam. I'm Koh Yee Ling. Metric number is 270737. So for now, I would like to talk about general approach to the a priori algorithm. There are 6 general approach here, which is collect, prepare, analyze, train, test, and use. For the train approach, which will use the a priori algorithm to find the frequent item set. For now, I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, madam. My name is Chong Hui Yang. My metric number is 281955. I will talk about the a priori algorithm, about how we finding frequent items with this algorithm. So in a priori algorithm, there are 2 important steps, which are join step and the prune step. So first, it will be given a set of transactions with few items and support 3 holes will be given. For example, this one, the 3 holes is 50%, so we can transform it to the frequency, which is 1.5 for the item. So there are 3 transactions here and the items which are A, B, C here. Then we have to count the frequency of the item set for each item. So for A, there are only appear in 1 transaction, and for B, it appear in 2 transactions, and for C, it appears in 3 transactions. So for the prune step, it will remove the item set which are lower than the support 3 hole, which are item set A. And then for the join step, it will join the possible item set which are B and C together, and it will according to the appearance of in different transactions. So I will pass to the next team member.
Good day, madam. My name is Xiao Xin and my metric number is 269957. And I want to say how we use the association rule with the a priori algorithm to solve this problem. So for the support and confidential, an association rule is A to B. A you can say that is an antecedent and the B is the consequence, will be of the form for a set of transactions. Some value of item set A determine the value of item set B under the condition in which minimum support and confidential are met. And for the right hand side, you can see this is the formula for the support. For the support, it can say that this is the number of transactions in which A appear divided by the total number of transactions. So for the confidential, we can easily say that it refers that how confident we are if a person purchase A, it will purchase B together. And for the formula for that is the support and bracket A union B and divide by the support. So this is for the example of confidential. It's quite like the example before, but we just use the different solution. So you can see they have support B and support C. You can see the 3 is the 3 of the overall transaction. 3 is referred to overall transactions. And you can see the third one is the support B union C, and they got 2 divided by 3, and the confidentials B to the C item will be the formula I reused for the second one. So this is the support divide B union C and divide. So B is the left side item, and they also times with the 100% and get the 100%. So for the associative mining, we can say that this is the right hand side. If the diagram, you can see that how we solve them. The solution one is find all the frequent item set, and the second is to generate association rule from the above frequent item sets. Thank you. That's all.